Good morning to all. Now we are discussing the topic of fluid flow concept and basic equations of fluid mechanics. The statics fluid is almost exact science. Unit gravity force being the only quantity must be determined experimentally. On another hand, the nature of flow of a real fluid is very complex. By the analysis based on the mechanics, thermodynamics, and orderly experimentation, large hydraulic structures, efficient fluid machines have been produced. On this chapter introduces the concept instead of analysis of fluid motion, the basic equation that enable us to predict the fluid behavior. Equations of motion, continuity equation, momentum equation, first and second law of thermodynamics, and the basic equations we are discussing and control volume approach it utilized in the derivation of continuity energy momentum equation in general dimensional flow theory is developed in this chapter. The flow characteristics and definitions. The flow may be classified in many ways such that turbulent flow, laminar flow, real fluid, real, ideal, reversible, irreversible, steady, unsteady, uniform, non-uniform, rotational, irrotational flow. Here are different type of flow, and turbulent flow we are discussing about the turbulent flow. Situation are most prevent in the engineering practice. The fluid particles move in very irregular path, causing the exchange of the motion of from the one portion of the fluid to another. The fluid particle can range in size from very small to very large. A large swirl in the river or in an atmospheric gust. The turbulence set up greater shear stress throughout the fluid, causes more irreversibility or losses. The losses vary about as 1.722 power of the velocity. In laminar flow, they vary the first power of the velocity. In laminar flow, fluid particle move along a smooth path in laminas and layers, with one layer gliding smoothly over an adjacent layer, is governed by Newton's law of viscosity or extension of its to 3-dimensional flow, which relate their stress to the rate of angular deformation. The action of viscosity damps out turbulent tendencies, and next one is not stable in situation involving combination of low viscosity, high velocity or large flow passages, and break down into turbulent flow. An equation similar to the Newton's law of viscosity may be written for the turbulent flow. Eta tau equal to eta du by dy. This is the Newton's law of viscosity law है. Eta is tau is the shear stress, eta is the coefficient of viscosity, du change in velocity with respect to change in distance, du by dy. Eta is not a fluid property alone, depend upon the motion and the density, the added viscosity. In many particle flow situation, both viscosity and turbulence contributed to the shear. Tau equal to mu plus eta du by dy. There are some added in the flow as a turbulence contribution. विस्कोसिटी में हम टर्बुलेंस कंट्रीब्यूशन को ऐड करके म्यू प्लस ईटा यहाँ पर शो करते हैं. An ideal fluid is frictionless and incompressible and should not be confused with a perfect gas. The assumptions of an ideal fluid is helpful In analyzing flow situation involving large expanses of fluid, as in the motion of airplane or a submarine, a frictionless fluid is non-viscous and its flow process are reversible. The layer of fluid in the immediate neighborhood of an actual flow boundary that has had its velocity boundary affected by the viscous shear is called boundary layer. May be laminar or turbulent and depending generally upon its length, the viscosity, the velocity of the flow near them, and the boundary roughness. Adiabatic flow is that flow in which no heat is transferred to or from to the fluid. Adiabatic flow में कोई ट्रांसफर हीट नहीं फ्लो नहीं होती है. रिवर्सिबल adiabatic, the flow is called isentropic flow. फ्रिक्शनलेस adiabatic है. स्टेडी फ्लो की हम बात करेंगे तो occurs when the condition at any point in the fluid do not change with time, and in steady flow there is no changing the density, rho, pressure and temperature with the time at any point. Yeah, three-dimensional steady flow equation. Density del py del rho by del t equal to 0. This means that density constant है यहाँ. Del py del t में pressure constant है. Del ty del t small t equal to 0. इसका मतलब है temperature आपका constant है. तो steady flow equations हैं ये. Turbulent flow owing to reactive motion of the fluid particle, there are always small fluctuation occurring at any point. The definition for steady flow must be generalized somewhat to provide for these fluctuations. In the figure, plot of velocity against a time at some point in the turbulent flow when the temporal mean velocity does not change with time, flow is said to be steady. इसको भी हम steady flow बोलेंगे. The same generalization applies to density, pressure and temperature. The flow is unsteady when condition at any point with change with the time. dv by dt is not equal to 0. This means that unsteady flow मतलब आपका जो velocity है does not changes with respect to time. ठीक है. The water being pumped through a fixed system at an increasing rate. So in the figure, velocity at a point in the steady turbulent flow, so डायग्राम दे रखा है. ये इसको वेलोसिटी का है, टाइम का है इधर यहाँ पर. एंड uniform flow occurs when at every point the velocity vector is identically the same for any given instant. dv by ds equal to 0. Time is held constant and delta s is displacement in any direction. The equation states that there is no change in the velocity vector in any direction throughout the fluid at any one instant. It say nothing about change in velocity at a point with time. The flow of real fluid in an open and closed conduct. The definition of uniform flow may also be extended in the most cases even though the velocity vector at the boundary is always 0. When all parallel cross section through the conduct are identical, when the conduct and the average velocity at each cross section is the same at any given instant, the flow is said to be uniform. Flow such that non uniform के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं हम. Flow such that the velocity vector vary from place to place at an instant is called non uniform flow. Liquid flowing through a reducing section or through a curved pipe. Example of steady and unsteady flow and ऑफ यूनिफॉर्म एंड नॉन यूनिफॉर्म फ्लो का एग्जांपल्स यहाँ पर इस तरह से दिए हुए हैं. लिक्विड फ्लो थ्रू a long pipe at a constant rate is steady is called uniform flow. Liquid flow through a long pipe at a decreasing rate, unsteady flow, uniform flow. Flow through an expanding tube at a constant rate is steady, non-uniform flow. Flow through an expanding tube at an increasing rate, unsteady, non-uniform flow. रोटेशन, फ्लूइड में रोटेशन किस तरह से होता है, इसकी क्या डेफिनेशन है. हम जब किसी भी फ्लूइड का रोटेशन काउंट करते हैं तो वो 3 डायमेंशन के अंदर काउंट करेंगे. तो रोटेशन ऑफ फ्लूइड पार्टिकल अबाउट ए गिवन एक्सिस, से द z axis is defined as the average angular velocity of two infinitesimal line element in the particle that are at right angle to each other and to the given axis. If the fluid particle within a region have rotation about any axis, the flow is called rotational flow or vertex flow. If the fluid within a region has no rotation, the flow is called irrotational flow. जब फ्लूइड के अंदर कोई रोटेशन नहीं होता वो हम उसको इरोटेशनल फ्लो के अंदर काउंट करते हैं. It is shown in text on the hydrodynamics that if a fluid is at rest and is frictionless, any lateral motion of this fluid will be irrotational. One-dimensional flow neglects variations or change in velocity, pressure transfers to the main flow direction. Condition at a cross section are expressed in terms of average value of velocity, density and other properties. The flow through a pipe may usually be characterized as one-dimensional. In two-dimensional flow, all particles are assumed to flow in parallel plane, all identical path in each of these planes. There are no change in the flow normal to these planes. Three-dimensional flow में is the most general flow in which the velocity component u, v and w in mutually perpendicular directions are functions of space coordinate and time x, y, z and t. u रिप्रेजेंट करता है आपको x को, v रिप्रेजेंट करता है y को और w जो रिप्रेजेंट करता है वो z एक्सिस को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. दिस इज द वेलोसिटी कंपोनेंट u, v एंड w एंड t टाइम को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. दिस इज द स्पेस कोऑर्डिनेट. द मेथड ऑफ एनालिसिस आर जनरली कॉम्प्लेक्स मैथमेटिकली एंड only simple geometrical flow boundaries can be handled. The streamlines is a continuous line drawn through the fluid so that it has the direction of velocity vector at every point. There can be no flow across a streamline. Since a particle move in the direction of streamlines at any instant, its displacement delta s having component delta x, delta y, delta z has the direction of velocity vector q with the component u, v and w in x, y and z direction respectively. Del x by u, del y by v, del z by w. Expressing the displacement in the differential form की हम बात करें तो dy dx by u, dy by y, dy upon v and dz upon w. The product of differential equation of streamlines at any continuous line that satisfies them is a streamlines. Streamlines in two-dimensional flow can be obtained by inserting fine bright particles into the fluid, brilliantly lighting one plane and taking a photograph of a streak made in short time interval, tracing on the picture continuous line that have the direction of streak at every point. Portray the streamlines for either steady or unsteady flow. illustration of an incompressible two-dimensional flow, the streamlines are drawn so that per unit time the value flowing between adjacent streamlines is the same. If unit depth is considered normal to the plane of the figure, when streamlines are closer together the velocity must be greater and vice versa. If u is the average velocity between the two adjacent streamlines, some position where they are h apart, the flow rate delta q equal to v into h. The stream tubes is the tube made by all streamlines passing through a small closed curve. Instead and steady flow, it is the fixed in space that can have no flow through its wall because the velocity vector has no component normal to the tube surface. Thank you.